This last panel in operations is a really cool one. It's called My Panel. The idea is you can actually set up CWDash all throughout the MSP, and if you install it on a technician's desk, you can actually have something called My Panel, where you put in the information here, the technician's name. Let me spell the name correctly, because my last name is not J-O, it's P-A. And you find the technician, you choose the service boards, you give it a panel name. Now this is already going to say that a panel exists, and it shows all the tickets for that technician, how many open tickets they have. They would keep this on the second or third monitor, how many customer responded, customer updated, how many are under the done yet status. Now when you create this, it puts it under custom. You see something here called Joseph Panone's panel. You can have as many of these custom panels here, but the idea is a technician, this is just related to whoever you chose, and it was Joseph Panone, but it has all their activities due, their tickets, all tickets pertinent to that technician right there. So it's a really cool, customizable, custom panel under operations called My Panel. And of course, there's always the options to make more changes, sent to Excel, and show the completed tickets on or off as well. Take a look at that.